What is up, YouTube? We got this 2-card box to unpack. So let's see. Let's see what we could get. I'm trying to look for a couple hits. CVS sells football cards and baseball cards now. And I said, that's different. So let's see what we got. First card, we got Jeff Jans. I'm going to give that to one of my YouTube buddies and Snapchat buddies. Chris Ivory, Ben Tate, Ezekiel Ennis, Doug Martin, Fred Jackson, Marty Gilliard, rookie card, Ed McCaffrey, Chris Carter, Scott Case, Eric Hill, Bruce Carlzer, Justin Cage, Randy McMichael, Herg, couple old players, Mike Webster, Monte Coleman, Corey Rogers, rookies, autograph, numbered 1 out of 1,299. That is cool. I said, oh my gosh. I got an autograph. In this, it says 1/4 contain a hit jumbo box. So that's going to one of my buddies too. The same buddy. Sean Taylor preprint autograph. Jake Plumer. Matt Hasselbeck. Paper card. Hayward Hutchins. Hot Gun. Randall Cunningham. Aaron Rodgers. Lonzo White. Walter Jones. Cedric Bennett. Jags defense, Don Wells. Keith DeLong. Jamal Lewis. Rookie card, Anquan Bolton. Kevin Murphy. Anthony Johnson, Colts. I actually have one of these cards of Lawrence Taylor. I don't know where it is. We got Presley Price. Got Ryan Shezer, Garrett Graham. On the road is Ben, Cam, Chandler, Khalil Mack. And a couple more cards here. And then I'll do that pack that we have. It's a Notre Dame pack. So there's a lot of Packer cards in here. That's crazy. Instant Impact. James Connor, Isaac Rossell. Rookies and Stars, Leaf, 2007. Chambers, Chris. Matt Scrab. Travis Kelce. Logan Ryan. Denlin Walker. Clinton Dix. Michael Huff, Dustin Keller, Santana Moss, Malcolm Brown, Emma Fricker, John Hand, preprint autograph, Neil Smith, 1995 Prime Playoff, William Fuller, Jay whatever, Jay Leonberg, Steve Ottawer. This one is Steve Bono. Kevin Benjamin. Marcus Colson. Clarence Ferdin. Jacob Green. Merton Hanks. Raiders card. Ricky Ellison. Eric Reed. Jamal Charles. Tennessee, I meant. This nice J.J. Stropes, wide receiver card, 83. And a couple more players right here. On to my Notre Dame pack. First edition, 8-player cards. Ted Gradle, Joe Montana. Ted Gradle, Joe Montana, Frank Nordy Hoffman, Jake Snow, Vegas Fregerson, John Krim, Mike Creaney, Gary DiNardo. It's my second pack with a giant player on the front, and it's a rookie card. It's a rookie card. It's a rookie card of Damontre Moore, Eric Allen, Jeremy Macklin, Chad Pennington, Josh Freeman, Jarrell Casey, Antonio Gates. It's the same exact pack. Dave Durson, Energy Lockhart, Stan Thomas, Harvey Williams, Darrell Lewis, Alex Smith, out of Tops, John Kinta, J.T. Smith, Tom Brown, Ontario Smith, Nick Foles, Joseph Ardini, Astenas Samuel, Mike Anderson, Jameer Brown, Jerry Rice, Aaron Cox, I can't pronounce, COX, Topps Football 50th Anniversary, Khalif Banners, rookie card. Cool. A lot of rookie cards. We got Steve Smith. We got Willis McGuire, Calvin Johnson, Corey Bradford, Tim Dwight, Michael Carter, Detroit Lions, Kevin Jones, running back, Steve Slan, Darrell Sharpington, Blair White, free agent, Erlis Ben, Colin Kaepernick, Mario Williams, Peyton Manning, CJ Beathard, Michael Roberts, Corey Davis, Jeremy Malcolm, Roger White, Michael Floyd, Eric Berry, Dante Fowler Jr., I think. Can't pronounce his name, I'm sorry. Kobe Fleener, Brent Sequel, Josh McCown, Peyton Manning again, Ben Roethlisberger, Dallas Cowboys, Miles Austin, Peter Ballware, Derek Ward, season ticket, Steve Smith again, same card. That's crazy that I got an autograph in my second box in this, or first. Couple more cards. Guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. There's this pack too. John Latner, Tom Gatewood, Kanuta Rockney, Phil Pazardark, Michigan State. This is November 19th, 1966. Notre Dame 10, Michigan State 10. Right there. This one is October 19th, 73. Notre Dame versus USC, 23-14. Michigan, Notre Dame 29, Michigan 27, 1980, September 20th. This one, September 18th, 1982, Notre Dame 23, Michigan 17. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace. God bless.